fabulous. Hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Dumebi. If this is your first time, you're welcome. Join the family by hitting the subscribe button right below this video, and if you're already a subscriber, you know how we do it. You're my G, like we're family, right? So guys, today's video is it's going to be a first impressions video of a makeup brand, a Nigerian owned makeup brand called Glitz and Glam Beauty. So they contacted me on Instagram, and then they sent me a parcel that I received some days back. So let me just open it up so you guys can see what is inside this parcel. So today I'm going to be doing something that I'm always like scared to do, which is going to be face first before brows. Oh my god, I learned a few tricks that I'm going to be telling you guys about today. So first off, I'm just going to be going in with my Farsali Rose Gold Elixir to moisturize my face. So next I'll be going in with my Zikel Cosmetics photofix mattifier face primer to prime my face. And for my foundation, I'll be using a combination of black opal true color in the shade Black Walnut and my MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade NW50. I'll just be using both of them. So the brush that I'm using is actually an e.l.f. Stifle brush. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and like everyone knows, they have like the most affordable brushes but still really good brushes. So this is the stippling brush. Stippling brush is best for when you want that airbrushed look, that dewy look. To contour, I'm just going to be going into my Early Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Chestnut. I'm sorry, to highlight my face, I said contour. You guys can see that I'm just using the remnants to dab on my eye, like whatever is left on the beauty blender, just dab on my eye, because I do not want too much of a product build up on the eye prior to when I'm ready for eye makeup. For my contour, I'm going to be doing I'm going to be using the Tara Medium Coverage Foundation in TF 316. And before I start, I'm just going to be going over my brows with a bit of the setting powder left on my beauty blender, just to mattify the brows a bit, because you know we placed foundation on there and all that, so you do not want to start drawing your brows on the greasy surface. I'm going to be doing my brows now using the Glitz and Glam Jack Brow pencil. So guys, to prime my eyes, I'm going to be going in with my LA Girl Pro primer, just applying this all over my eyelid. The reason now that is done, I'm going to be going into the Festival Queen palette by Glitz and Glam. For anything that is close to a skin tone shade here, and I'm just going to be taking this one. Let's see how it looks on me. Taking this shade right here and placing it. That's the first shade I'm just going to be placing on top of my crease. There are barely any eyeshadow fallout so far from this shade. I'm just going to be going into this shade right here. It's a very rich shade of blue, and I'm going to be placing it here. Woo! Can you guys see that? Oh my god, Glitz and Glam, you guys are not playing at all. Eee. Okay, so it pays you to tap off excess before you put any color from this palette on your eyes. If not, you're just gonna have more than you can handle. Like, what? I'm really loving this. Because that shade, I went a little bit heavy handed with that shade. I need to blend it out, so I'm going to be taking a lighter shade of blue. I'm taking this shade and tap off excess because this is a very pigmented eyeshadow. For the blend out the harsh edges, I'm just going to be going back into this shade. I'm just going to be going back to my LA Girl Pro, and I'm going to be taking a bit of the primer to place on my eye just to make it a bit brighter. The next thing I'm going to be taking is the mixture of this shade and black just to darken my outer corner and taking it into my crease just a bit. So right now I'm just going to be lining my eyes using my Glitz gel liner. Lining my eyes using my Maybelline pencil. So guys, I'm just going to be going in with, so I'll just be taking this with, look at this, it's a pencil brush. Just be going into it like so, just tapping, and then how do I look? For lashes, I'll be using the JM lashes in the style Morke. This is what they look like. I'm going to go back to the face. I'm going to be going into my Image Cosmetics powder palette and taking this shade right here to brush off the setting powder that I used to bake. So I'm going to be going into the Glitz and Glam highlighter and contour palette, and here it's even written that they have highlight, contour and blush, of which I do not see any contour here, but I definitely see a blush and a highlighter. So for blush, I'm just going to be taking this shade here because I'm a brown girl, I'm dark skinned, so I assume this shade is going to look nice on me. This is a shimmer blush. I really need to blend it out so that I don't look like I was slapped in the face. Okay, so now we're done with blush. Next is highlighter, and of course you guys already know the shade I'm going for. I am so going for Trophy White. I'm going to be glowing like all the shades of the sun and sunset today. While I do, I must go out with this makeup. It's not possible. Like, today is not one of those days where I finish makeup and I just wipe off. It's not possible. I am so going out. I'm going to be taking the same shade, Trophy White, just to highlight my brow bone. So I'm just going to be going into my Trophy White again and placing it in my inner corner, just because I want to be a little extra. Haha, like the glitters are not even enough. Woo! Guys, for lips, I'm going to be going into my Ovada Beauty. I reviewed them some time back, so be sure to check it out. That's the link right there. Go and watch it. I'm going into the shade Luciano because I'm like, this shade is fire. Woo! So this is Luciano, and we bathe in this.